someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space.
Hey guys, I'm your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty, and it is Wellness Wednesday, so you know what that means. You know where we're at, and you know what we're doing. In case you don't, though, we are in Hockley, Texas, in the joyful neighborhood of Jubilee, and I'm standing in the middle of a Westin model home. I got all the information for you in regards to this builder. They are one of the 8 builders that have the honor to build out here in the Jubilee community. And I'm ready to give all that to you and more. So stay tuned. Let's get into it.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar.
So today, we're going to walk you through this Westin model home, which is the Asher. Now, this home is a 2-story, 5-bedroom home. They have 2 bedrooms on the first floor, which includes the primary, 4.5 baths, a 3-car tandem garage, informal dining room and study, a 2-story family room adjacent to a modern kitchen, and I'll show you that in just a second, as well as a game room with cathedral ceilings and the media room. They're both upstairs. Westin Homes is currently building 7 different floor plans that they will offer here in Jubilee. The build time is anywhere from 4 to 6 months, and they are building on the 60-foot lots only, so that means you have a wider lot. So, you know what we're gonna do? Like we always do, jump into it and do what we do. Before we do that, I wanna let you know that they do have some homes that are available for immediate purchase. I'll tell you about all that as we get into the video, but let me give you greatness.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar. Yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you by the hand and lead you to the dance floor. Girl, it's our time, just you and I. Don't run, don't hide. No, I'll do it
What's your favorite feature of this home thus far? Drop down in the comments and let me know. So now that you're here, let me give you a little bit of information on Westin Homes as it pertains to the Jubilee community. So currently they are building only on the 60-foot lots, which means that you could have a wider lot. You get to choose between one of 7 floor plans. That they are offering 7 floor plans in this community, and it is taking 4 to 6 months to build your beautiful home.
Your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part baby, don't cry.
that you've seen this gorgeous floor plan built by Westin Homes, listen, the only thing that I'm waiting for is for you to jump into Jubilee with me. Give me a call. I'd love to schedule a tour so that you can come out and see this beautiful community, see what they've already done and what the plans are for the future for this community. You're gonna be so excited. Give me a call. All my contact information is listed in the description of this video. Want more joy from Jubilee? You're in the right place at the right time. Right here is where we have more videos on this beautiful community. So click here. Okay, so listen, you ain't gotta go home, but we do have to get the hell out these people's model home, okay? So that's just what I'm about to do. Before I go, I just wanted to remind you that for all of your real estate needs, your homegirl, Daphne Brown, is always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Oh